This product here is just 16 yuan, and if you go to Google Currency Converter to convert this, you'll see that it is about 1,700 naira, which is around $1.5. Now, we are going to go to Jumia to check that same product. You can see that the price here is 28,000 naira. And if you check that same product on Amazon, you can see that it's around 20 pounds, which is around $24–25. As you can see here, this is the product. I've got the product here. 1688 is one of the cheapest places or cheapest marketplaces in China to buy products. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy products from 1688. It's going to be a step-by-step guide where I'll be revealing secrets that can change things for you. My name is Charles, and I help people and businesses grow. I try out things online and share them with you if it works. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Also like this video, it helps this channel a lot. If you have questions or if you have something you want to learn, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to give you a reply. I've been getting requests to talk about 1688. Now I'm going to talk about it, and I want to help people that are serious with meat importation. For the people that contacted me, a lot of people contacted me. I was able to share my shipping agent with them for free, but this time around, I'm going to go a step further to help you get started with meat importation. But it's going to cost you a plate of rice. Yes, I said it, a plate of rice. So watch this video closely, because towards the end of this video, I'm going to reveal an information that will be the answer to your questions about 1688. There are different marketplaces in China. You can buy cheap products and sometimes quality products. Marketplaces like 1688, Made in China, DHgate, and AliExpress. I'll be talking about AliExpress in another video. I'll be talking about how to get your order and get it shipped directly to Nigeria without paying an agent to get it for you. Now, with all these platforms I mentioned, I'll suggest that you focus on one or two and understand how they work and then maximize your output. Before you place an order on 1688, do your calculations, know the cost of what you're getting, the price for shipping, and generally just understand the profit that you'll be making after calculating your expenses. Once that is done, you can place your order. This next step is critical if you want to get more results. Before placing an order, understand the cost difference for buying low quantity and high quantity of a particular product. You can be more profitable buying a higher quantity of a particular product than buying low quantity across different products. But then again, it all depends on how you want to market your product, your marketing capacity and marketing strategy. You need to understand this before doing any other thing. I've seen a lot of people buy products and it just sits around without getting any sale. You don't want to fall into that trap. Understand the people that need those products, test it out, and then get more. Always get samples of a product from a manufacturer or a supplier and inspect the quality before investing money in buying more. You don't want to buy bulk of product at first hand and find out that the quality is trash. Now, before I get into showing you how to buy from 1688, let me share this quick tip that is going to help you. If you have an audience that you sell to, congratulations, but it doesn't end there. You need to reach more people. You need to make more money. And the only way to make more money is to reach more people. Let's do this math together. Let's say you have an audience of 1,000 people, maybe on WhatsApp or other social media platforms, and you get conversion of about 10% every month, which is around 100 people. That is 100 people buy from you every month. So let's say an average cost of a product you sell is around 25,000 naira, which is around $27. If 100 people buy from you in a month, it's going to be $27 times 100, which is going to give you $2,700 in sales, which is around 2,430,000 naira in sales. That's the sales you'll be getting in 1 month. But if you invest 10 to 30% of your profit to marketing and reach an audience of 100,000 people every month, and let's say 10% buy from you, no, let's not say 10%, let's reduce it. Let's say 1% of 100,000 people buy from you. That is 1,000 buy from you in a month. That would be $27, which is 25,000 naira times 1,000, that means you're going to be making 25 million naira in sales in 1 month. You can play back that, that part to understand it if you don't understand this calculation. So in dollars, that's around $27,000 in 1 month. You know what that can do for you, right? Even if it takes you 3 months to get that number, it's still fine. I always say this to my students: if you want to play the big game, always market your products. Get people to market it on the streets for you and give them a percentage. Pay them well. There are a lot of people looking for jobs. Give them jobs. Don't be scared of losing. If you don't want to take risk, then you're not worthy to get returns. Also, it doesn't end there. Run ads on your products: Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, wherever your audience hang out. Run ads every day. Run it 24/7. You should also create content about your product. I don't mean come and buy content, or I want to sell this, or I sell this kind of content. I'm selling this, I'm up for sale, I'm open for business. Not that kind of content. People don't want to be sold to. They are scared of spending money. So create content showing how to use your products, what it does. Show, don't tell. Action is louder and it gets to the emotion of your audience. People buy based on emotion. If you don't want to create content, get someone to do it for you. You can even do it without showing your face. So I've said run ads, create content, and get people on ground. And that's how you play the big game. Now, let's head over to 1688 and get started with this. So we're going to search for 1688 on Google, and then click on 1688.com, or just put it on your browser, 1688.com. You're going to open it. Now, if you're using a mobile phone, you might need to install Google Translate on your browser on a mobile phone, and then turn on your Google Translate, put it on English. If you're using a browser on your laptop, install this Chrome extension. It's supposed to come with your Chrome browser anyway, and then it's going to automatically translate it from this Chinese to English. Now it's in English. This is 1688. What you want to do is to sign up on 1688. When you're signing up, you need to translate it to English before signing up, so you understand how or where to put your password, your username, and other information. Just translate it. Now this is 1688. What you want to do is to look for a product. To buy. Now we are going to search for a product, and you can see this product we talked about, this foot grinder, but we're not going to do that. We can search for something. We can say massager and search for it, and then you can see different types of massager here. You can see this massager. Another product that you can check for or buy is sex toy. If you want to sell sex toys, it sells a lot. People buy it codedly, you know what I mean? So you can see this product here. This is a muscle massager, and you can see this product here is for 31 yuan, and 31 yuan, let's go to converter. You can see 31 yuan here is around 3,270 naira. So this is just around $4-5. Now we are going to go to Jumia and see how much it is. Massager, it's called Gun Massager. Now you can see this product here. You can see that this product here is 19,000. You can see here 19,000, and you can see 15,000. So if it's 15,000 and you're buying it for 3,000, you're already making over 10,000 naira gain. And you can see someone else is selling it for 19,000. And you can see that over 68 people have bought it. You see the thing, most people want to buy a product that is more expensive because they feel it has higher quality. So your pricing, may not affect your sales in one way or the other. It all depends on how you want to structure your pricing, on how you want to do it. There's a strategy you can use. You can put out a product. A lot of stores do this. Let me share this secret with you. You can put out a product and then price it at a higher level. Put it at a higher price. For example, you can put it at 19,900. For this product, you can just put it for only red color, and then put out that same product for white color of that product, and then you're going to put it out for 10,000 naira. So your product is out there at a lower price and at a higher price. So those people that feel, products that are expensive, are of good quality, will go through that product. And those people that also feel, they want to buy cheap products, they'll see your product and want to get it. So that's a trick and a tip that a lot of people use. So now you can see here that it's 31 yuan. Once you've done this, you can also chat with the manufacturer, and what you have to do is to add the product to cart or add the quantity available. Now if you look down here, you can see the number that is available. They have like 2,000 plus available, and it's supposed to show the MOQ there, and you check the MOQ and see if they buy one, or you can buy one piece and all that. So you can see the batch size here, 2 minimum. So you must buy 2 of these products for them to sell to you. You can see it here, 2 minimum batch. So you must buy 2 of this product. It's not bad. If you want to buy for like, just use it for test or for sample, you can buy 2 to see how it works before, making that full purchase. And you can still sell the sample. The fact that it's a sample doesn't mean that you're going to sell it. You're going to sell it and still make money from it. So now once you're done, you can select the quantity that you want. If you want 1, 2, 3, select it and then click on order now. Now once you click on order now, I'm not signed in yet. So once you click on order now, you put in your payment details and all of that to get started. So now I'm signed into my account. What you can see here that the minimum quantity or batch is 2. So you must order 2. So you have to go to the quantity and select 2, 1, 2. You've selected 2, and then you click on order now, and then you place your order, put in the address and all of that, and then make payment. You can use Providus Bank or create a domiciliary account with GT Bank. Go to the bank, tell them that you want to open a domiciliary account, tell them that you want to open a dollar bank account, and it's going to take about 2 to 4 weeks for the account to be ready. Then when you have the account, get a card and then use the card to make purchase. Now I don't want to make this video long. I've created a step-by-step training on meat importation showing everything. I'll be showing you how my students do it. Even if it's your first time, you're going to understand because I broke it down in a way that even a 16-year-old can do it. I'll be showing you how to create your 1688 account, ways to source goods on 1688, how to identify manufacturers, how to source and identify quality products, how to chat with suppliers, how to place an order on 1688, how to ship products to your location, how to create a receipt to send to your supplier to reduce the minimum order quantity or product price, how to make payment, the app my students use to make payment and all of that, the easiest way to do it, and other secret strategies. I would also add a bonus and show you how to use AliExpress the right way, how to buy and order a product without using an agent to buy. A lot of people use agents to buy when you can just do it yourself. So even if you're a beginner and you don't have experience with meat importation, and you just want to start a business that you can grow and turn to 6, 7, or 8 figures, this step-by-step meat importation training will help you get started, and by God's grace, you will be successful. Now, this was created only for the people in my community, but I'm giving people outside my community the opportunity to be part of this, and all it's going to cost you is just a plate of rice. Yes, a plate of rice. You only need a plate of rice to get access to this. Don't buy a plate of rice for one day. Instead, use it to learn the skill that will change your life. So this offer is only open for a short while. So just click the link in the description and check if it's still available. Check if the offer is still on. Just click the link and check. And I'm going to leave the link in the description below this video. Just click on the link and check. If it's still available, grab it quickly because I'm not sure this offer is going to last for long. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to see more videos like this and share this video to people that you want to help. You can change someone's life by giving them valuable information. If you have any questions, tips, or anything you want to share, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to see you in this video.